Cardano value equivalent to 7.3349 rands a coin. The present cost range, 7.3146 7.3758. The earlier day close, 7.4246. The change was 0.0897, 1.21%. Backwards rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost 7.60 rands, high 8.13, low 7.07. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, June 6, cost 7.37 rands, high 7.89, low 6.85. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost 7.31 rands, high 7.82, low 6.80. Cardano conjecture on Thursday, June 8, cost 7.30 rands, high 7.81, low 6.79. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, June 9, cost 7.23 rands, high 7.74, low 6.72. In multi-week Cardano conjecture on Monday, June 12, cost 7.48 rands, high 8.00, low 6.96. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost 7.80 rands, high 8.35, low 7.25. Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, June 14, cost 7.92 rands, high 8.47, low 7.37. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, June 15, cost 7.77 rands, high 8.31, low 7.23. Cardano conjecture on Friday, June 16, cost 7.57 rands, high 8.10, low 7.04. In about 14 days Cardano cost expectation on Monday, June 19, cost 7.65 rands, high 8.19, low 7.11. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, June 20, cost 7.84 rands, high 8.39, low 7.29. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, June 21, cost 7.78 rands, high 8.32, low 7.24. Cardano conjecture on Thursday, June 22, cost 7.75 rands, high 8.29, low 7.21. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, June 23, cost 7.58 rands, high 8.11, low 7.05. In 3 weeks Cardano estimate on Monday, June 26, cost 7.56 rands, high 8.09, low 7.03. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, June 27, cost 7.83 rands, high 8.38, low 7.28. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, June 28, cost 7.96 rands, high 8.52, low 7.40. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, June 29, cost 8.00 rands, high 8.56, low 7.44. Cardano estimate on Friday, June 30, cost 8.10 rands, high 8.67, low 7.53. In about a month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, July 3, cost 8.03 rands, high 8.59, low 7.47. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, July 4, cost 8.27 rands, high 8.85, low 7.69. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 7.38 rands, exorbitant cost 8.67, while low cost 6.72. They found the middle value of cost 7.72. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 8.10, change for June 9.8%. Cardano estimate for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 8.10 rands, exorbitant cost 9.52, while low cost 7.41. They found the middle value of cost 8.48. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 8.90, change for July 9.9%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 8.90 rands, exorbitant cost 9.72, while low cost 8.44. They found the middle value of cost 9.04. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 9.08, change for August 2.0%. Cardano estimate for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 9.08 rands, exorbitant cost 9.92, while low cost 8.62. They found the middle value of cost 9.22. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 9.27, change for September 2.1%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2023. In the first place, cost at 9.27 rands. Exorbitant cost 10.95, while low cost 9.27. The found the middle value of cost 9.93. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 10.23, change for October 10.4%. Cardano gauge for November 2023. In the first place, cost at 10.23 rands. Exorbitant cost 10.41, while low cost 9.05. The found the middle value of cost 9.86. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 9.73, change for November 4.9%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. In the first place, cost at 9.73 rands. Exorbitant cost 12.08, while low cost 9.73. The found the middle value of cost 10.71. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 11.29, change for December 16.0%. Cardano gauge for January 2024. In the first place, cost at 11.29 rands. Exorbitant cost 11.29, while low cost 8.82. The found the middle value of cost 10.22. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 9.48, change for January 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. Before all else, cost at 9.48 rands. Excessive cost 9.48, while low cost 7.40. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.58. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 7.96. Change for February 16.0%. Cardano figure for WAC 2024. Before all else, cost at 7.96 rands. Excessive cost 8.03, while low cost 6.98. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.62. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 7.50, change for spring 5.8%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else, cost at 7.50 rands. Excessive cost 8.30, while low cost 7.22. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.70. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 7.76, change for April 3.5%. Cardano figure for May 2024. Initially cost at 7.76 rands. Excessive cost 7.76, while low cost 6.43. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.22. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 6.91, change for May 11.0%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2024. At the outset, cost at 6.91 rands. Excessive cost 8.47, while low cost 6.91. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.55. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 7.92, change for June 14.6%. ZAR to ADA conversion standard equivalent to 0.1363 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.1356 minus 0.1367. The earlier days nearby 0.1347. Change for now plus 0.0016 plus 1.19%. ZAR to ADA cost